Why I use GUMMETAL? It's because very simple. Because I can do three-dimensional control of the tooth movement at very early stage of treatment. Also, I can do vertical and occlusal plane control. This is very important in my philosophy of treatment. Yeah, because I try to reposition the mandible, controlling vertical dimension and occlusal plane. GUMMETAL does a very unique characteristic. Got a very ultra low modulus of elasticity, or modulus of zoom. At the same time, super high strength. It means that it's soft but strong. And at the same time, super elasticity, like nitinol, and you can bend. It's also got a super plasticity. It means flexible but formable. We can treat a lot of severe malocclusion like a class 3 open bite, class 2 open bite, mandibular lateral deviation. I can offer all those patients just only orthodontic treatment, yeah, without any surgery. The patient was visiting me this morning. He complained a lot of symptoms, especially some pain at the temporomandibular joint, some muscle problem or postural problem. Also, he got a very retronating mandible. The only solution goes to the surgery, but right now I'm treating him just only with orthodontic. I just only use GUMMETAL in this two wire, just only 2 wire, that's all. I got a very nice result. Please try GUMMETAL. It's a wire like no other.